Welcome back. You're watching Round 1 action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Linstead Primary on 15 points and Halfway Tree Primary on 6 points. Let's now get into the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see 4 minutes on the Guardian Achiever clock. Teams, let's begin with local affairs. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Who is that? Black and white.
That's Andrew Manning, immediate past president of the Medical Association of Jamaica. Sports. Which club won the English Premier League title for the 2020-2021 season?
Chelsea. You sure? Chelsea? No.
Manchester City. Bible knowledge. For how many years did Jacob work for Laban when he tricked him and gave him his older daughter Leah to marry instead of Rachel?
4 years. No, don't post them. 7.
That is Halfway Tree.
7 years.
That is correct. Science. Is influenza also called the flu? That is
The
Linstead.
flu. The flu.
Is influenza also called the flu caused by a bacteria or virus? The answer is virus, so that is incorrect. English language. What is the past participle of drink? That is Halfway Tree.
Drunk. Drunk.
Drunk is correct. Music. What is the nationality of the singer Shawn Mendes?
Shawn Mendes.
That is Halfway Tree.
America. America. America.
Incorrect, it's Canadian. General knowledge. How many candidates were nominated to contest the 2020 general elections in Jamaica?
Okay, make it still.
139. Television. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this actor. Halfway Tree.
Ice Cube. Ice Cube.
Correct. Mathematics. What is 8 kilometers, 40 centimeters, written in centimeters?
I think 800.
800,040 centimeters. Social studies. One God, one aim, one destiny was the motto of which movement? That is Linstead.
Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey.
Formed by Marcus Garvey, and the answer would have been Universal Negro Improvement Association, or the UNIA, so that's incorrect. Television. In the cartoon series The Flintstones, what is the name of Fred's wife? That's Halfway Tree.
Wilma.
Correct. Sports, a visual team, so look at the monitor and identify this West Indies cricketer.
We can't afford to make their own.
That's
Almost
Michael
time
Holding.
left.
Bible knowledge. To which city was Jonah first heading instead of going to Nineveh, where God sent him? Tarshish. Science. What is the name of the virus which derives its name from the fact that under electron microscopic examination, each particle is surrounded by a halo? That's the coronavirus. English language. Spell the word scent as used in the following sentence. The woman could not bear the scent of the garbage. And that's Halfway Tree.
SCENT.
Correct. Music. Which group recorded the hit song Don't Wanna Know? That's Maroon 5. General knowledge. What country has a trident on its national flag? That's Linstead.
Barbados.
That's correct. Local affairs. Who is the Speaker of the House of Representatives in the Jamaican Parliament? And we won't get to the answer for that because the bell signals the end of the match with Linstead Primary on 13 and Halfway Tree on 14. So we say congratulations to Halfway Tree and very well tried by Linstead. We'll double check those scores and get to our break. When we come back, we'll continue, so please stay with us.